Now children, we will start fourth chapter, fourth unit, that is human rights in India. In this chapter, we will read about what you understand by human right. Do criminals has human right? Criminals के पास भी human right होता है. Are the human rights are anti-majoritarian? Are human rights a moral demand to resolve the various kind of injustice? And are human rights a tool for सैल्यूटिंग एंड डिस्ट्रप्शंस. तो आपके ये जो टॉपिक्स हैं, दिस टॉपिक्स आर डील्ड इन दिस चैप्टर. फर्स्टली द इंट्रोडक्शन इज गिवन दैट इन दिस चैप्टर वी फोकस अबाउट द ह्यूमन राइट which is given in the Constitution of India and which is deal with the different compliant mechanism is dealing, that is human right commissions are there, minorities commissions are there, women right commission is there. So this unit will fully cover the basic themes like children, women, Dalits, Adivasis, religious minorities, environment, citizens generally, but are against basic of framework and provisions. And this main themes for amended the topics of legal framework, provision of human right law in India, like child marriages, right of equality. This all topics will be dealing in this chapter. Means this chapter में क्या क्या describe किया गया, that is given in the introduction parts. Like what do you understand by human right? First one, it is given in this chapter. Second, historical and international development about human right. This topic is cancelled out by the CBSE. Third one is the discussion about the various kind of human rights by the safeguard by several laws in India. Fourth, examples of various themes. Fifth, roles of human right commissions, complainant mechanism के बारे में हम read करेंगे lastly में in this chapter. Nextly, human right fields are expensive and the unit is fully explained about the human right. Means कि human right का category और human right की topic को कहाँ कहाँ describe किया गया है, इस चैप्टर में अपन उनके बारे में रीड करेंगे और उसकी कंप्लेन लेके हम कहाँ पे जा सकते हैं, उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए हम कहाँ पे जा सकते हैं. दैट ऑल विल बी डील इन दिस चैप्टर. ओके, तो इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल डील फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज इंट्रोडक्शन, सेकेंड टॉपिक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया विच वी ऑलरेडी रीडेड इन 11th class. Children, this is your fourth chapter. So in the fourth chapter's introduction part is there, then after the introduction mid part will be deleted by the CBSE. Okay, your next part is constitutional framework and related law in India. In this topic we will read about the fully constitution which we already did in the class 11. So like in many other countries, US, South Africa and so on, India to have human rights are rooted in the constitution. Human right concept क्योंकि full chapter is related to the human right, so this concept is fully rooted in the constitution. Firstly, to go to the fundamental rights or human rights, we have to understand the framework of the constitution, that is the main topic of the constitution, preamble, part 3 of the constitution, that is fundamental right, part 4 that is directive principle of the state policy, and part 4a that is fundamental duties. अगर ये चारों पार्ट आपकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के याद हैं और यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड फुल्ली, then you will be fully understanding the constitution. This is the major part of the constitution. Okay, so this topic is explained in the chapter, fully explained in this chapter. The first topic of the constitution, that is preamble. I already told you about preamble in 11th class, but we will repeat it again here. The Constitution of India begins with the preamble, है ना. preamble के साथ स्टार्ट होता है constitution, which affirming aims, objectives and guidelines principles of constitution. क्या constitution का aim है बनाने का, उसका objective क्या है और उसके principles क्या है, that is described in preamble. The principles laid out in the preamble are used for interpreting provision of constitution that are viewed means बहुत बड़ा. preamble को एक principle के तौर पे ले लिया constitution में, क्योंकि constitution बहुत बड़ा है, बहुत lengthy है, कि मीन्स इन प्रिंसिपल को देखते हुए आप कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को ड्राफ्ट करेंगे. एंड एम्बिजियस मीन्स बहुत बड़ा और बहुत टफ, as discussed in earlier unit. Preamble is a basic structure of the constitution. Now this question is coming in your examination, describe the basic structure of the constitution. So in that question you have to explain about preamble. In that, the doctrine of basic structure takes away the amendment power of the preamble with regard to certain feature of the constitution And now in the preamble, the words defined, that is democracy, rule of law, secularism, separation of power, and judicial review. These words I already explained to you. Like democracy means we are the people of the India, इसलिए preamble को बनाया गया. Secularism means सबको rule of law सबके लिए same होना चाहिए. All religion will be given equal importance. Secularism means separation of power must be there. Then lastly judicial review. So what is preamble says? The preamble says we are the people of India, having solemnly resolved to reconstitute India into sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Now, sovereign means wealth in one hand, means सब power एक बड़े अधिकारी को दे दिया जाए, like government is there. Socialist means सब, whether they were rich, poor, they all are treated equally. So, sovereign means where the wealth is in the one hand, that is the head of the country के पास सारा wealth होना. Socialist means whether they are wealthy or poor, law will be equal for all. Secular means कि सारे religions को equal importance देना, किसी भी caste का बंदा हो. Democratic people के लिए, for the people, by the people, of the people, to secure to all its citizens, किस लिए कंट्रोल करना, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बनाने का, जस्टिस हो सके, सोशली, इकोनॉमिकली, पॉलिटिकली, लिबर्टी मिल सके, बोलने का राइट मिल सके, एक्सप्रेस करने का, बिलीव करने का, फेथ करने का, वर्शिप करने का, इक्वलिटी कर सको स्टेटस एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ में. लास्टली फ्रेटर्निटी, एंश्योरिंग द डिग्निटी ऑफ इंडिविजुअल, एंड एंश्योर करना कि सब इंडिविजुअल की डिग्निटी को बनाए रखना यूनिटी के साथ और अपने नेशन को इंटीग्रेट करते साथ. सो दिस आर द टर्मिनोलॉजीज विच आर यूज इन द प्रेम्बल, एंड दिस इज द स्टार्टिंग पोर्शन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इन विच whole things will be described, and इसके अकॉर्डिंगली ही आपको कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के आगे के आर्टिकल्स को ड्राफ्ट करना है. दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. In this preamble, we read about two cases. First one is Keshananda Bharati case. This is the basic structure of the constitution in which it is described. Second one is SR Bhumi versus Union of India. इसमें भी बोला है कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में विदाउट, आप सब जगह अमेंडमेंट कर सकते हो, बट विदाउट टचिंग द preamble. Okay, so these are the two related cases from the preamble topic.